Woke up this morning, world looking strange. Invisible people doing the tango exchange. Thoughts with squirrels, plot world domination, while I'm here sipping tea, watching the animation. Randomness spinning around. My brain's a pinata, sanity unbound. Yeah, hit it, breathe it, break it, let the weirdness pour. Another day's chaos knocking at my door. Down the street, tripping on cracks, can't find his feet. Bouncing and wobbling, a metallic display. Just another Thursday in my own special way. Candy floss, clouds drift, jelly bean rain. Pitter patter sweetness, washing away the pain. Licking the sky, diabetes so high, but who cares about health when the world's a sweet pie? Randomness spinning around. My brain's a pinata, sanity unbound. Yeah, hit it, break it, let the weirdness pour. Another day's chaos knocking at my door. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles climbing from drains, ordering pizza, ignoring the strains of sewer life. Now heroes in shells, fighting for toppings, breaking all spells. Coffee is big, frizz, leg, tiny hats. Magic, they treasure, what might I say? For the winners, there's other the share. All this days big, one shot to fire. Morty's mutants chillin', made themselves at home. Mix of goo and giggles, roaming to Rome. Dimension up in chaos, right in my yard. Rick's sperms echo, playing life hard. Randomness spinning around. My brain's a pinata, sanity unbound. Yeah, hit it, break it, let the weirdness pour. Another day's chaos knocking at my door. Giant rubber duckies swimming down the road, squeaking and quacking, a whimsical code. Traffic jam of yellow, honking in glee. This is the symphony of insanity, you see. A parade of penguins wearing tiny hats, dancing the cha-cha where elegance sat. Before the weirdness took over the show, now it's just penguins strutting to and fro. Written by unseen symphony, a tribute to the strength.